Hey guys, this is the cheapest 40% wireless keyboard that I could find on Amazon. It's $38. It could even be less than $30 if you choose a wired version of the same device. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say, that if it's cheap, then it's probably a crap. But I personally don't think that. I purchased it like a month ago and I've been playing almost every day on it, and I have keyboard, I have multiple keyboards, mechanical, expensive ones. This one isn't mechanical and it's really cheap, but I still wanted to try it. By the way, I suggest all of my friends, if you want to try something weird, buy just the cheapest thing you can find on the market, which RedThunder wireless one-handed gaming keyboard is. And then if it fits your flow, if you are okay with, you know, finish the work, change the keyboard to a 40% keyboard, then you like rearrange the mouse pad and mouse and the keyboard, and you're up to all of that, then you probably might want to consider something more expensive, more RGB, more battery life, macros and mechanical switches, all of that. But it's not about this keyboard. It's not mechanical, like I said. It's really, really light to the point that it's like you starting to worry if it's gonna hold together for a while. But yeah, should be fine probably. Let's talk about things that I don't like about this device, and there's not a lot of things. First of all, I would pay extra $2 or even $3 to make this thing soft and not plastic. Second, these things are also plastic. It's insane. Those are not sticky to the table at all. It slides even in the game, like it slides a little, I don't know. So you might want to put it on a gaming mat, mouse pad, and then even if you put it here and you're like very intense gamer, that might move as well. But also here and here, as I don't know if you can see it, but there are marks, and these pads that's supposed to hold your device on one place, I don't know, they leave marks. They leave like dirty marks, and you need to use like a wet napkin or something to clean your table. So beware of that. Everything else about this keyboard, I would say worth every dollar you pay, and you pay only 38 of those Canadian. I mean, you have true 2.4 gigahertz wireless communication. You have the ugliest on-off switch and USB-C port to charge it. It comes with 2000 mAh battery, which should supposedly take you up to 18 hours of gaming with RGB on. So if you turn off the lighting, it should be even more than that, because I never charged this keyboard yet, but I charged it once within a month. Like, yeah, it should take you like 2 weeks of casual gaming, 1-2 hours a day. And it looks great. I mean, if you put it on any desk, it would dramatically increase sexiness and aesthetics of your setup. That's for sure. The biggest performance downside, I would say, is that it doesn't use mechanical switches but use regular switches. I'm a big competitive FPS fan. I play Counter-Strike almost every day, and I played it only on mechanical keyboards for last 10 years probably. So switching to this was a like, oh, that's gonna be interesting. Looking back, I don't see any difference. I'm not like a cyber sports person, not even close. I wouldn't tell any difference. I mean, it feels different to press it. It sounds different, obviously. I mean, looks great. Does the job. And I don't know why people don't mention this on reviews of this device or any similar device, not just this one. You need to think twice before buying this, because it won't work for any game. Like if you play FPS, Fortnite, Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, all of those things, 100% it's a good thing and it will work, because the maximum you probably need is B and nothing on that side of the keyboard. But if you play like MMO RPG, like I couldn't play, what's the game called? My goodness, it's a really weird name, but I already have 100 hours. Throne and Liberty. If you play Throne and Liberty, No way you can play it with this thing because you need almost all of your keyboards. And also if you like typing in the chat all the time, telling everyone how you adore their mothers, that won't work either because you're gonna use only these letters. In my case, I would put it on my desk, but I would have a keyboard like sitting somewhere here, so I play right here, but if I need a keyboard, it's right next to me. So that's the best thing. But honestly, it makes you think like, why would you even use something like this if you still use a keyboard? And that's the biggest question when it comes to devices like this. In my opinion, the best case scenario for this thing is when you have a laptop and you game on your laptop. This is going to be great upgrade for you. If you have a desktop, you definitely have a dedicated keyboard, and then it makes you think twice, why would you buy something smaller just for fun? And I respect that as well. But if you have a laptop, that's the whole nother story, because you have a laptop keyboard and it makes you really like sit really narrow and hold your hands in really weird angles. My point is, think twice about the whole idea of such keyboard, not this particular device. And if you think that this should work for you, I mean, check out RedThunder, because it's not an advertisement. They don't know about my existence. Unfortunately, I purchased this thing, but I think it's a very, very good device for its money. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, because I already have a mouse that costs, gaming mouse, that's currently $9 on Amazon, gaming mouse, and I'm pretty excited about this video.